Hi, today I'll be telling you guys about the properties of operations. The vocab for this unit are distribute, to give shares of something to individuals in a group. Identify, what makes something or someone what it is. Property, a characteristic of something. So what are the properties of operations? The properties of operations are an essential part of mathematics. They are often referred to as the properties of addition and multiplication. There are four main properties of operations, although there can be more added as you go through math. These specific operations cannot be used with division or subtraction. The four properties of operations are listed below. As you go through math, like I said, you'll learn more and more about these properties of operations. The first operation here is commutative. This property is when the order of an equation does not change the outcome of the solution. Let's look at an example here. 4 plus 6 equals 10. If you switch up the order and say 6 plus 4, it still equals 10. For multiplication, if you do 3 times 9, it equals 27. If you switch up the order and say 9 times 3, it still equals 27. As you can see, the order of the variables in addition and multiplication problems does not fluctuate the solution coming out. The second property here is identity. This operation tells us that any number plus 0 always equals the same number, although it only applies for addition, indicating the name of the identity property of addition. This operation also tells us that any number times 1 always equals the same number. This only applies to multiplication, indicating the name of the identity property of multiplication. Let's look at some examples here. 2 plus 0 still equals 2. So that is applied with the first box over here that says that any number plus 0 always equals the same number. The second example here is 8 times 1, and that always equals 8. Just like it said in the second box, it said that any number times 1 always equals the same number. The third property here is associative. This property is when the order of parentheses does not change the solution of the equation. For instance, let's look at this example here. 3 times 6 times 7. The parentheses is over 6 and 7 over here. And it equals 126. When the parentheses switch up to 3 and 6 instead of 6 and 7, the answer still becomes 126. If you look at addition, it's the same thing. If you put parentheses over 6 and 7, you get 17. And if you switch up the parentheses and you put it over 4 and 6 this time, you would still get 17. The last property here is distributive. This one can best be explained through examples. So let's look at this one first here. So it says 3 times 6 plus 7. So as normal, you would just distribute, right? Just like that. And then you would get 3 times 6 first, and you get 18, plus 3 times 7, 21, and that equals 39. Basically what it's saying is that if you wrote it down just like this one, it would still become the same solution as writing it down like that. So you get 3 times 6, and you would get 18, plus 3 times 7, you get 21, and that still equals 39, just like what this one over here wrote down.